India versus Australia, two teams that know each other very well and get to know each other better with every passing year. Sanjay Manjrekar was at the toss a little while ago. Both teams said they wanted to field first. India won it, and so it will be Australia batting.
And David Warner at the top there with Mitchell Marsh. He's a powerful hitter. Steve Smith coming back from a wrist injury.
In the absence of Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill will he be opening with Ruturaj Gaikwad or Ishan Kishan?
David Warner's more experienced. He's saving his energy. He's not wasting any energy. There's the record of Mitchell Marsh. And you can see he's played 78 matches.
Shami gets the new ball, not Bumrah. First runs. The edge, and there's the wicket. There were two slips. They brought it down to one, but that was good enough. And that is Mohammad Shami's great strength. Just get the ball to nibble on the seam. So India draw first blood. That's the back of Mitch Marsh for 4. It's 4 for 1. Steve Smith comes in and the second slip comes back. Now he finds the gap. That's a bold shot. Different kind of bowler, different kind of pace. In the air, put down! Shreyas Iyer at mid-off. One of the better fielders in the side is put down a dolly.
Shot pulled away and goes all the way. Shot. What a shot that is.
David Warner, we know how strong he is square at the wicket.
Turned away, finds the gap. Yep, that should get David Warner his 29th 50. Dropped on 14, but he's carried on.
Partnership now worth 82. Partnership now worth much more. And finds a gap through the offside now. Fielder there. Should take the catch, and he does. And he will be distraught, Will Warner, because you're starting to look good. 52 at runner ball after a very slow start, and he finds the fielder in the deep. A wicket for Jadeja, and Australia lose another. And almost inevitably, if Steve Smith is batting, Manus Labuschagne comes out to join him. Right, Ashwin now tosses it up, and the batter finds the gap. Oh, and he's got a wicket too. Always does something off the deck. Does Mohammad Shami. Top quality seam bowling.
And a really good one gets rid of him for 41. It's 3 for 112.
Right, Cameron Green batting up at 5.
Watch it.
They'll get the single. No, they won't. They won't. Oh, the keeper and the throw. Manus Labuschagne had bought his ticket for the journey back to the pavilion. The throw wasn't the greatest, but the keeper had to gather it. We'll go for 4.
Excellent.
Wonderful shot. But Ashwin can't get to it.
Yes, come on.
Oh, the edge. And as a result, it goes much finer.
Now, was there a deflection? And is the ball trapped in his legs? They're claiming it.
Yeah, just freeze it there. I don't see any part of the foot grounded behind the popping crease.
I tell you what, KL Rahul has become really good at this.
Australia are 4 for 157. What it does bring to the crease is Josh Inglis.
Power.
We'll go for 4. Oh, through KL Rahul. Slightly awkward bounce and take 2. There should be trouble. And the run out eventually. Eventually the run out from Suryakumar Yadav. There's all kinds of chaos happening. One batter thought there was 2. The other was convinced there was 1. That's often a recipe for a run out.
Cam Green walks away for 31. Australia 186 for 5.
Bit of a lean patch of late Marcus Stoinis.
Finds the gap. He'll go aerial because the field was inside the circle, so it was a pretty safe hit that. And another boundary. It's a lovely shot. Just wide. He's dropped that shot. I think he was waiting for it. Oh, opened his shoulders. That is a stunning shot. Beautiful shot. Such power. Well, he gets his man eventually. I think he was going sort of over square or maybe even over mid-wicket. Across the line, inside edge, Shami gets a wicket. It's a well-set Stoinis who's gone, was looking very dangerous in these end overs.
Matt Short's, he's used to opening the batting as well, so he's coming in at number 8.
Should be taken quite easily. Bumrah has so many tricks up his sleeve.
Yeah, good bowling. I don't think Inglis would have been expecting another follow-up slow ball. And he's outdone him there tactically. Very good innings. 45 from 45. Started a bit slow, but cashed in later. Good strike, but it's straight to the man in the deep. And Shami gets his 4th.